Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. If you are a designer, then this video is perfect for you. Today we're going to talk about the best websites for graphic designers. These websites include designing resources that you can use in your commercial projects as well. Before watching the video, be sure to like the video and subscribe to my channel. Let's aim for 300 likes on this video. Let's get started. Let's start from the basics. The first website is called RemoveBG. This site removes the background from your photos in an instant. Now you don't need to open Photoshop to remove background from your image. Just type remove.bg in Google and press enter. Open the first link. Upload the image you want to remove the background from. It'll automatically remove the background from the image. Now you can easily download the image in PNG format and use it in your projects. Similarly, if you want to compress your video without compromising the quality, there is a site called FreeConvert. Type freeconvert.com, and press enter and open the first link. Just like the first site, upload the video you want to compress. Choose the export type. Wait for it to convert. Now you can easily download the video. Typography is a major part of graphic design, and to make typography designs you need a lot of fonts. Here are a few sites that will help you in your typography journey. The first one is called dafont.com. This site contains thousands of fonts to choose from. You can either search your desired font style or you can search by category. The amazing part of this site is their diverse categories of fonts. You can easily find your font style in no time. The other very useful website is Google Fonts. Type Google Fonts and press enter. Here you can find thousands of fonts of your liking. You can search for your desired font and easily download it. Once you've downloaded your font pack, go to your download directory. The font pack always downloads in zip or RAR file. Extract the font file, right-click, and install for all users. Now you can easily use these fonts in your project. MyFont is another amazing website for font. Let's say you found a font style on someone else's project but don't know the name of. This site contains an amazing feature where you can upload the image of the font and it automatically recognizes the font style and gives you different suggestions. To use it, type Font Analyzer in Google, click the first link. Upload the font image and wait for it to recognize the font. As you can see, it gives you multiple suggestions of the fonts that look just like the image. Do note that the fonts on the first two sites are royalty-free and you can easily use them in your projects. Now moving on to colors. The website I like the most is the site called Coolers. This is an amazing website if you're looking to create custom colors for your project. This site has multiple options for creating color palettes. Just go to Start the Generator. You can choose your desired colors from the colors library in the menu. Moreover, you can also edit each color independently in the existing palette. You can see that each color has separate options for editing. Once you are satisfied with your final result, you can also export the color palette. Just go to Export option, choose the type you want to export in, name your file and click OK. It's that easy. As you can see, it has downloaded a PNG image of the palette with their hex color codes as well. Another interesting option is creating a colors palette from an image. For that, click on the camera icon, upload the image. It automatically creates a palette for you. And yet you still have the option to edit each color. Just like the first one, you can also export this color palette as well. While working on your project, you will require some images. Don't worry, I've got you covered. The most famous website for stock images is Unsplash.com. You might have heard about this site. Unsplash contains thousands of royalty-free stock images. Images on this site are all free of cost and don't require any kind of license. Similarly, Pixels is another amazing website for stock images. Here you can find all sorts of images. You can easily download them and use them in your projects. Adding icons to your projects is an amazing way to convey a message without using words, especially for UX and UI designers. The website that I use mostly for icons is flaticon.com. This website contains a vast collection of icons. To use them, just click on the icon, select the size of the icon and download it. It's that easy. Icon Finder is a similar site for icons, but sometimes this site requires you to pay a monthly subscription fee to download icons. I mostly use Flaticon, as it gets the job done most of the times. Graphic designing is a very tedious process. Sometimes graphic designers have to design multiple projects at a time, and creating designs from scratch can be very frustrating. The website that I'm about to show you will help you in speeding up your design process. Freepik Designs is an amazing website for downloading graphic elements. This website contains ready-made design templates for Photoshop and Illustrator. To use these templates, simply click the design of your liking, and download the file, or you can choose the file type from the filter, whether it's Photoshop, Illustrator, or just .eps file. To use them in your project, Go to the download directory, extract the zip file, now drag and drop the source file into designing software, in my case, it's Illustrator. Now you can easily edit the template. Graphicsburger is another amazing website for downloading graphic elements. It contains a vast library of design templates, that include mockups, UI kits for UX and UI designers, icons packs. It also contains attractive backgrounds that you can easily use. Do remember that, although the design elements and templates on Graphicsburger and previously mentioned websites are free to download, they do have a free license that you have to look for. The license detail for every design is included in the download folder. All you have to do is include the license information in the description of your project once you publish your work, otherwise, there is a slight risk of copyright as well. Sometimes new graphic designers can find it very hard to understand the designing software such as Photoshop or Illustrator, let alone use them. The website that I'm about to show you is called Canva. This site is not just a graphics elements website but a complete online editing software in itself. Canva contains thousands of graphic templates that you can not just download but also edit them as well. You don't need any software to use Canva, and trust me, you don't need to become a professional graphic designer to use Canva. To use Canva, search for your appropriate design. In my case, I want to search for poster design, or simply I can choose the category from the home page. It directly takes you to Canva editor. Now I can upload my own elements or I can use their custom pre-made templates. Okay, I like this one. I can simply drag and drop the design on the artboard. To download the final design, click on the download button on the top right corner, choose your file type. It's that easy. Once you start working as a graphic designer, you might want to publish and showcase your graphics work. Dribbble is one such site where designers and creators from all around the world showcase their work, exchange graphic design ideas and participate in the ever-growing design community. Apart from showcasing your artwork, you can also find new and interesting ideas for your next design. For that, Dribbble has a separate tab for inspiration. Sometimes the creators who showcase their work also add source files of their projects in the description, which you can download and easily edit. Just make sure to mention the creator's name and profile link in the description of your project whom design you've downloaded. Behance is also an amazing website just like Dribbble. You can use either one of these websites for your design portfolio accounts. And whenever the client or anyone asks for your work or design portfolio, you can just share your Dribbble or Behance profile link with them. Okay, all the free websites that I mentioned earlier will be enough for designing work. But if you're still looking to invest in a premium design elements platform, then look no further than Envato Elements. Envato Elements is an amazing website if you're looking for premium design templates or mockups. It contains a vast library of stock photos, stock videos, graphic design templates, music, sound effects, Premiere Pro transitions, motion graphics, and a lot more. There is no other premium website that I can think of other than Envato Elements. Okay, these are the top 10 websites that I think can help you guys in your graphic design journey a lot. I'll provide the link to every website in the description as well. Do let me know in the comments about any website you think should be included in this list. And for watching this video for so long, you get a bonus tip. Ever wondered how people add these natural voiceovers in the background in their videos? Well, look no further. The website is called Natural Reader. This is a free text-to-speech voiceover website. Here you can find many different types of voices to choose from. You can also change the speed of the voice as well. Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. Once you're satisfied with the final result, you can download it in MP3 format and use it as a background voice in your videos. That's all for today. Hope you liked the video. Do let me know in the comments on which topic should I make a video on in the future. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the video, and share it with your friends.